English Speaking Series Day 6. Can you describe your daily routine in English? Don't worry if you can't. Today you will learn simple English sentences to talk about your everyday activities with confidence. Let's start speaking English. Daily routine vocabulary. Learn these important words. Wake up, brush my teeth, take a shower, eat breakfast, go to school, go to work, study, have lunch, exercise, go to bed. Learn, practice, speak every day. Real life speaking. Person A. What time do you wake up? Person B. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Person A. What do you do after that? Person B. I brush my teeth and take a shower. Person A. What do you do in the evening? Person B. I study and then I go to bed. Practice these conversations in your daily life. Speaking practice, repeat after me. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I study every day. I exercise. I go to bed at 10 pm. Practice today, speak confidently tomorrow. Inshallah. Homework. Describe your daily routine in English for 2 minutes. Practice it 5 times in front of mirror or record your voice. Practice more, speak better, get stronger every day. Inshallah. Excellent word. Every sentence you speak makes your English stronger. Keep practicing. Stay confident. Never stop learning. Like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed today's lesson. See you in day 7 with another exciting English speaking lesson. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep speaking, keep growing. Allah Hafiz. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay connected with us for more easy to learn English videos. Keep learning, keep growing, and I shall see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.